Peace and blessings. How you all doing? This is Eagle Fall with the Black Urban Gardening Society. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing here. You can also check us out on Instagram at Black Urban Gardening Society as well as Facebook. All right, today we're going to make a quick video, a DIY video to show you how to start your own small little lettuce garden here. And this is really is going to be geared to those people who are not able to start their plants by seed. If you didn't start earlier, just new beginner gardener, whatever circumstances caused you not to be able to do that. So we're going to show you how we're going to do this. All right, so today I have a small bucket here. You can see this bucket. This is a concrete mixing bucket, I think. I got it from Home Depot. It already has holes and everything in it. All right. And so we don't have to worry about putting holes in here for irrigation. So what we're going to start off with, I like to start off with straw. This is straw that I've already had sitting. You can see that we have some mushrooms growing in here, so it's already fungally dominated, which is amazing. We want our soil to be fungally dominated. All right, so I just put a little layer of this straw down here. This is almost like creating a hugelkultur. This serves a few purposes. First of all, like I said, I want a fungally dominated soil. The other thing is that I don't want to have to buy too much soil or utilize too much compost in this bucket. So I will first put my layer of straw down in the container. All right. And after I put my layer of straw down in the container, I have some potting soil already in the bucket here. You can see that I got from Home Depot as well. All right, and we're just gonna pour the potting soil over here, over it. Make sure I spread the potting soil good. All right, it's sort of like planting in straw bales. You can plant your lettuce in this straw, all right, with the soil on top. So I'm just smoothing that out. Now I have some green sand. I like to add green sand to make sure that my plants get minerals. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some green sand over here on top of the soil. And I have a slow release organic fertilizer, as well as some organic pelleted composted chicken manure. This will give it the nitrogen and the other minerals that it's going to need to help grow these plants really big and strong. So I'm just going to sprinkle this over here, and this will be a one-time feed for the plants. All right, and so I'm just going to sort of amend the soil with all of these nutrients here. And then what I like to do prior to planting any of my plants, you guys can't see it, but I have some starts here. Once again, I got these from Home Depot. I think these are bunnies plants. This is great for the person who's just starting to grow. I have these starts, and what I like to do before I start any of my plants is soak them in a bucket with composted worm castings. So once we have the composted worm castings, we let them sit in there. It's a way to make sure that they get the water that they need, but it's also a way for them to get an extra boost as far as nutrients prior to getting planted in the soil. I don't know for a fact, but it seems like it also helps the transplant shock as well. All right, so basically at that point, I'll just take my plants out of the 6-pack here. You can see they're already real nice and wet. Tease them, release the roots, and I just simply go from there. And I will plant this whole bucket here full of these romaine lettuces. All right, and once we have everything planted here, we just simply wait and wait for our harvest. I mean, really you're at a point to where you could harvest already, but we will just simply put our plants out there. One thing you got to be careful of, make sure your 6-pack has 6 plants in it, okay? This one only has 5, but it's all good. All right, and so we'll fill this whole bucket up here with this red romaine lettuce. I also have some green romaine lettuce, and then the remaining space I'll spread some a mesclun salad mix on the remaining space. I try to utilize the whole space, and so we'll plant it that way. I'll let you guys just sort of see how everything is going to look. And if you're worried about soil, not having enough soil in there, you could always add more soil. All right, and so yeah, we'll just spread them out. I think I'm going to add another layer of compost that I already have developed. I don't have it here right now. So we simply just spread our plants out, and we'll have the container. One thing I definitely do when I buy plants, I look for there to be more than one plant in a cell. I just simply divide the plants. Soaking them makes the whole process of division a whole lot easier. You're gonna have to rip some roots, but it does make it an easier process. And so like here, although we didn't have one in one cell, we got two, and we have two more. All right, so we got 2 for the price of 1, or 4 for the price of 2, however you want to look at it. But anyway, once we set this bed up, this is how it's gonna look. I'll add a picture here to show you guys how everything looks once we're finished. This is a way that you could impact your food, the quality of your food, instantly, very quickly, very inexpensively, and you could grow the food that you know in a very sustainable way, and this helps. All right, so once again, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll update you on what happened at the end here. We'll post a picture here to let you see how it's looking. Thank you for checking us out. Once again, like and subscribe to us, Black Urban Gardening Society. And remember, once again, the food you grow is the food you know. Peace.